Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm AJ. This is Danny, and we are hashtag the
CCTV.
Alright guys, welcome back to our eating show.
Show.
Alright, so today guys, we are back with another mukbang. Today guys, we're just having a good old American meal. I guess you can call this American meal. It's burgers, fries. We got some double cheeseburgers that I made, and some sausage dogs, and some French fries. We got French fries on deck, and yeah, pretty much that. Like I said, these are double cheeseburgers, Angus burgers. And then they look so good, so juicy to me. And also they're sitting on some brioche buns that I toasted, and same for the sausage dog. So real quick, Dan's gonna hit you with a couple things, then we're gonna eat.
If this is your first time on our channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And after, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload. And give this video a thumbs up. Like it.
That's right, guys. L-I-K-E, like the video. Hit the button and hit the bell. Alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead and pray. And then we're going to chow down. Father God, in the name of Jesus, we ask that you bless this food. Let it be nourishing to our bodies. Bless those who are less fortunate, Lord God. And it's in your name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Alright, guys. So, yeah. Made these burgers. Didn't make the sausage dog, you know. A little bit of work. But got some slaw and some homemade chili on deck. And yeah. So
I got honey mustard
going for
my
first
fries.
thing for a burger. First thing. Y'all see the that mug is stacked. I ain't gonna waste no time. I know what you came for.
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm. Might get a little messy today.
Mm-hmm.
I just excuse me.
Told you I do that with beef.
Okay, you just bit it.
I took a bite. That's good, boy. Hey, Jay, how long we been waiting to eat these burgers?
No.
A week.
It's just a light, y'all.
Sure it is.
I mean, if it was something else, I don't care anyway. I'm just letting you know. They like to know. Somebody gonna say what you're drinking, so I can let them know what it is. I don't tell them to be like, oh, this is a diet drink. I care this.
I got one of them. Regular.
This is delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, a pack shirt, especially for this.
You've been doing pretty good with them pack shirts this time. I'm liking this little aioli.
You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Chipotle ale.
Got a little bit of kick, but I like it.
Alright. I know y'all like, how in the world did he smash that cheeseburger with? Was it two? Was it two? I'm hungry.
Mm-hmm.
Borderline starving. I don't starving. Mm. I wish I had mustard food.
There you go.
Got some sweet baby Ray honey mustard.
Gotta eat me a sausage dog. You and that honey mustard going off. Gotta eat me a sausage dog before I eat all these fries.
Oh yeah. Might eat some right now. This is beef sausage. Yeah. It is a Roger Wood beef sausage. Do you want to tell this though?
Sure, both. Both for me. So them sausages that put us to sleep was pork.
They were pork.
Y'all, we ate them sausages, went straight to sleep, and I didn't know what day it was when I woke up.
That was like about 4 years ago.
Mm-hmm. They were cheap old little sausages, but they were good. I do remember that. Yeah, transport my hot dog. Thank you for putting my toppings on. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
I hope I make it through the hot dog. The
Sorry, y'all.
dog.
If you're not getting much conversation out of me, this is so good. Smash. Talking about something delicious.
This.
Right. The thing about these Roger Wood beef sausage, they actually taste like beef hot dogs. They just taste like a little, like you can tell they like got a little bit more like of a seasoned taste, and they're bigger. I don't know. Look like a hot dog to me.
They taste like pink hot dogs.
No Validales. Them little skinny pink.
Ooh, them pink.
They sweet.
Ugh.
They sweet. I don't want no candy hot dogs.
Ew. Imagine. Candy the hot dog.
I'd rather not.
Nasty.
Yeah.
You gonna go in for the second?
I might.
I can't do
I'm
it.
going in, but
I can't do it with you.
I knew that. We just put yours up for decoration.
Yep, I'm gonna eat it tomorrow. We've been a lot. I'm feeling. So AJ, today we're going to talk about food facts that are interesting.
Make sure y'all thumbs up this video.
Do it, because we eat like we don't eat in every other.
I feel like I'm eating today.
Alright. So the first one. Oh, sorry.
No, but I don't think usually I would have killed 2 double cheeseburgers, but I feel like this is about to disappear.
This first one says the only difference between Pepsi and Coke is that Pepsi is made with citric acid while Coke is not, which I had mentioned that to you the other day. I am not a Coke fan. I prefer Pepsi. I drink it.
I do. That citric acid makes a difference. Apparently, the citric acid gives a just like I say, a citrus taste. That must be the difference. That must be what I'm tasting. Because if you put a Coke in front of me and a Pepsi in front of me, blindfolded, and I taste them, I guarantee I can pick.
You don't know.
Most people will if you drink them.
Like I told you, Coke has like a medicinal taste to me.
But the funny thing is, like, I drink a Diet Coke over a Diet Pepsi though. This is the only thing, like, as far as diet drinks, some people don't drink diet drinks at all, so they wouldn't know. But Diet Pepsi is nasty to me. But a regular Pepsi, we're just talking about Pepsi versus Coke. Pepsi all day. Pepsi.
So,
what's
did you know that asparagus grows straight out of the ground? I had no clue. I don't know how. I don't know what I thought they grew.
It makes sense.
Like I didn't know.
That's why the root is so thick.
Yeah. I definitely didn't think they came off trees. I don't know how I thought they grew.
That makes sense though, because the root is really thick on them. Almost like, and if you look at those versus like trees and branches, it's got some of the same similarities. It's got a thick root, like if you look at the way it splits and everything. It's split and then it's gonna split like a branch. It's like the same.
I was like, I had no clue they come straight out the ground.
That's why they're real woody. The way when they cut them, that's why like whenever you if you cook asparagus, most people don't know if they don't eat asparagus like that. You just don't know. But if you do, anybody that knows that you got to chop off that bottom part. Otherwise, it's just going to be nasty. And the way I go about it, the way most people do is if you take asparagus and like if you take a bundle, because those are the ones that grew together, they always have them in a bundle. If you take a bundle and then out of that bundle you take 1 or 2 and you just break it where it naturally breaks at, you want to take it, line it up with the rest of them and chop them all out. Chop where it naturally broke with the one, and then that'll get rid of all that nasty woody part that you ain't gonna like when you eat. Cause you get down to that part and start doing them like.
All right, a lot of people ain't gonna like this next one.
Whatever.
Experts say you do not have to wash your chicken.
Well.
Cause the heat will kill whatever contamination.
This is ongoing.
Yeah.
Hey, ongoing. I finished that. So hungry. Let me get my shoe together. I just feel so bomb. It was so good tonight. This all depends on how you was raised. If you want to wash your chicken, wash your chicken. Just be careful when you wash your chicken because you risk spreading salmonella more around your kitchen. But at the same time, you know, I know a lot of people grew up that way. That's what they do. Whatever. But don't argue that it's doing you any better or worse, not washing your chicken, because at the end of the day, you can only wash where they cut it at anyway. If you go get some ground turkey or some ground chicken, guess what? You gonna wash it? You can't. That's nasty. No, you're not gonna wash it because you can't wash it. If you go get some ground beef, you can't wash it. And if you do people wash beef? If you do, you can only wash it where it's cut. You know what I'm saying? If you go get a whole hen, you cannot wash those in the inside parts that you would around the breast that you washed the other day. If that breast was still attached to the whole end, you can't wash it. It doesn't make any sense. It's like either you trust the meat or you don't. Now, if there's some little funny stuff on the outside that you just like to get off, that's fine. That's understandable. But it's like, as far as the whole germ thing, like, that's just beyond me. That's crazy. He not making, because I'm like, either you trust where you bought the chicken from, or you trust the chicken, or you don't. Washing it is not going to help you get any extra germs off of that. That's just more time consuming stuff. Now, like I said, everybody do what they do for their own peace of mind. Some people were raised, a certain way. I'm in the South. I understand. I get it. That's the way I grew up. I watched, but it is what it is. And like I said, if it's just some stuff that you don't like to see, or some stuff that you just like to get off your chicken, that makes sense too. But don't argue that it's nasty or call somebody nasty because they don't wash chicken. That's dumb, in my opinion. Because you putting it in piping hot grease or boiling hot water or whatever, a 400-degree oven. That's crazy. But anyway, I digress.
I bit in there, and that was it. All I did was bite in it.
It's so good. Yeah, I done made a mess everywhere. Been smashing. What's your next question or next fact, Nanny?
My next fact is that butter can be stored outside the fridge for up to 10 days.
I kind of knew that.
I didn't.
It's a fat. It's anything really fatty can, survive.
That's because we've always put it in the refrigerator that I'm
it
like,
just be solid.
That needs to go.
But if you leave it out, you can put it back in the refrigerator.
The next one is the cookies that the Cookie Monster enjoys on Sesame Street are actually painted rice cakes.
That makes sense because they crumble up,
Ain't no cookie crumbling up like that. Man be having crumbs all on his mouth, all his chest.
And then that's funny.
Right. What
I
is
know what
that?
to do next time. I'm gonna make me some rice cake cookies.
So you can crunch them everywhere?
So I can be Cookie Monster.
No.
Let me
You
get this
do?
off your hands.
Go ahead, cause I'm done. Them Nature Valley things you be eating. My nerves are crackhead granola everywhere.
She hating y'all.
That granola be everywhere. It's crunchy and messy.
She don't like that I like to eat the Nature Valley oats and honey granola bars, the crunchy ones.
Excuse me. He be so crummy. Just be sitting in crumbs. God.
You crummy.
You is crummy. I'm only crummy when I eat popcorn because
A crummy dummy.
I use the crummy dummy. Drinking milk a few days after its past due date is probably fine. I do smell milk.
I smell it. What my nose tells me.
But let me tell you something. When I see that date, and it's 12:01 the next day, I'm already suspect.
All right, look.
Milk.
It can be the day before the expiration date. If it's day before the expiration date, but I realize, this is a good rule of thumb. So if you buy the less milk fat that it has, probably the more safe you'll be. I think whole milk goes spoiled faster than any other milk, and 2% and 1% therefore. So I think, like I said, the less milk fat, the more safe you'll be. And I just kind of noticed that over just milk in the refrigerator. And I think lactose-free milk lasts longer too, because we got some Fairlife in there that I did throw it out because it wasn't much in there. But it's lactose-free, and we've had that for like a while. The date on the Fairlife milk was still not out, and we feel like we had that in there.
I know, because we ain't ate cereal in a minute.
But it's lactose free, so I think that matters too. But yeah, I don't play with that because I've had some bad milk before, and no.
You remember that milk? Never mind.
Let's not do this.
Never mind. I'm not even talk about
She
that
turned up
milk.
that day. She turned up that day.
Y'all. Growing up black. Straight whiskey is actually clear.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. It gets its color from oak barrels.
I know
which
it gets
is aged.
Well, I'm about to say, I know it gets its color from barrels, but how come they never sell regular whiskey?
Right.
Must be terrible. Must be awful.
Well, they out here got aristocrats sitting on the shelf. Might as well.
Regular whiskey got to be awful. If they don't sell it, because I think about some other things that I know it. Most of the like tequila, most of anything brown, it gets the color changes from some type of wood or something that it's in. So I'm just like, why are they not selling regular whiskey? Like, it must be awful.
Trash.
It's gotta be like, it's gotta be horrible.
Be trash. So pineapples take 2 to 3 years to grow. Pineapple, why you
Really?
so slow? Pineapple.
That's a long time. They must have like an abundance of them then, because you would think they would cost more.
I didn't know it take that long to grow.
They must have some pineapple fields out this biatch. Or the trees. They go on trees.
No, stop it.
No, they go out the ground, right?
Is the next fact was, did you know a single pineapple is actually made up of 200 flowers that bloomed and formed a single mass?
No, I didn't know that.
I didn't either. Crazy how the world works. Ew.
Over here eating fries and slaw.
Cause I was like, what are you dipping in there?
Delicious.
The green gummy bears are actually strawberry flavored in the U.S. and apple flavored in the U.K.
I mean, because it only makes sense for them to be apple flavor. Why in the world is strawberry?
Cause they said y'all ain't gonna know. What y'all know?
Pretty much.
Y'all, you still gonna eat that gummy bear? You just, this is so good. Smack, smack, smack. I'll do this last one. Mountain Dew is largely orange juice.
Shut up.
I ain't no clue. Mountain Dew be out here trying to take folk out. Okay.
Mountain Dew. Do.
The doo-doo. You gonna be doo-doo.
He used to say how much you didn't like Mountain Dew.
I did. I think I like Mountain Dew because people always used to tell me how bad it was for me. So I was
As
like,
if that's the only thing only bad drink for you.
I don't know. But
They used to say that
you can't eat nothing.
I think somebody told me Mountain Dew make your penis little. And then somebody else said that it make you shoot blanks or infertile, excuse me. It makes you
Facts I didn't need to know.
In any case.
Well, at what point do you drink this Mountain Dew that your pee-pee gonna be little? If I drink it as an adult.
I don't know. I think that was a myth, but I do think there is some facts behind the infertility thing. I think it's something that goes in Mountain Dew, like the dye or something. I think it's the dye overall.
That just, well, don't have you cheering, your male cheering, drinking Mountain Dew.
Largely orange juice. That don't make sense.
Because they might be like that meme I read.
What?
Lord, the pee-pee you gave him, he still got it. Yeah, he had it in
The
the back.
pee-pee you gave him as a
Yep.
child, he still got as an adult. That's trifling. Yikes.
God said love all his people.
Somebody for everybody.
Little pee-pee ain't for me. Anyway.
Let me find a little pee-pee, he find a little cooch.
Okay, where is this conversation
Let me
going?
find the same size
You are done. A little coochie.
All right.
And you weak.
Guys, this is funny.
Out here, give a little coochie.
Think about it.
And little pee-pees.
I mean, if we come in all sizes, y'all do too. And that's the truth.
You put a sign, LP. Little pee-pee.
LC.
Little coochie.
Over here.
We mad.
Anyway.
You're dumb. What's wrong with you?
Anywho.
I'm supposed to be the ceiling.
We about to get out of here, y'all.
Yeah, because over here. Turn out the side of your neck. Oh. That's what you doing.
Hey, y'all. Thank y'all for joining us today. We really do appreciate it. Guys, remember to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. It's the same thing, yeah, I know. And comment down below. Let us know what you think of this video. You know, because we'd love to interact with you in the comment section. Also, guys, share this video with your family, friends, anyone and everyone. Let them know what we got going on over here. Because sharing is caring. So what? Care about us. Let me try it again. Care about us. Care about us. We love each and every one of you guys. We appreciate all that you do for #Cannons. Danny, I don't have anything else.